Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to this lecture. So this lecture is one of the last lectures in this section of the course, and it's just to remind you the difference between CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and Config. So learning the difference between these three different services will get you marks all round as you go and study AWS. So if we remember, CloudWatch monitors performance, so that's where you're going to monitor things like CPU utilization, RAM utilization, etc. You can either use custom metrics or use the metrics that are built in. Remember, the built-in metrics for EC2 are things like just CPU, disk, network, and then the status checks. And then if you need something different, such as RAM utilization, you need custom metrics. So CloudWatch is all about performance monitoring. CloudTrail monitors your API calls. So if I provision an EC2 instance or an S3 bucket or a DynamoDB table, that will be recorded in CloudTrail. It'll tell me the time it was provisioned, what resource was provisioned, whether it was provisioned successfully, who provisioned it, what the IP address is, etc. So this is used for auditing. And then we have AWS Config, and this is basically the way I like to think of it as a CCTV system. So it's going to record the state of your AWS environment and will notify you of changes. So if you want to know what the rules were on your security groups from 3 weeks ago, you can use Config for that. CloudWatch and CloudTrail wouldn't tell you that. If you wanted to know who provisioned the security groups 2-3 weeks ago, that would be CloudTrail. If you wanted to know the CPU utilization of your EC2 instances, that would be CloudWatch. So in your exam, you're going to get a whole bunch of different scenario questions, and it will ask you what the appropriate service is to do something. So it's really important to know the difference between CloudWatch, CloudTrail, and AWS Config. So we're almost at the end of this section of the. So if you've got the time, please join me in the next lecture. Thank you.